This topic is related to the sources of Indian Constitution. As we know, the Indian Constitution is the lengthiest written constitution in the world, and different sources from other countries has been taken to make this constitution that is suitable for the Indian system. The Indian Constitution shows the India's historical experience and the best practices from the other nations, how we can incorporate the other practices from the other nation in the Indian system scenario. There are total 11 sources of Indian Constitution. First one is the Government of India Act 1935. Most of the things has been taken from this act. Second is the British Constitution, US Constitution, Irish Constitution, Canadian Constitution, Australian Constitution, Soviet USSR Constitution, Weimar Constitution, French Constitution, South African Constitution, and Japanese Constitution. So there are total 11 sources. From Government of India Act 1935, Federal Structure, Office of Governor, Judiciary, Public Service Commissions, Emergency Provisions, and Administrative details has been taken. From the British Constitution, parliamentary system that works in our country has been taken from the British Constitution. Rule of law, legislative procedure, single citizenship of Indian system, cabinet system, prerogative rights, bicameralism, and parliamentary privileges has been taken from the British Constitution. From the US Constitution, fundamental rights, independent judiciary, judicial review, impeachment procedure of the president, removal of the Supreme and High Court judges, and post of the vice president has been taken. From the Irish Constitution, that is directed principles of state policy, that is the important aspect from the state that has been taken from the Irish Constitution, and nominations of the Rajya Sabha members and methods of election of president is also taken from the Irish Constitution. From the Canadian Constitution, quasi-federal structure with strong center, because in the Indian system the strong power comes under the center as compared to the states, and residual powers with center, appointment of governors by the center, and advisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court that has been taken from the Canadian Constitution. From Australian Constitution, concurrent list, freedom of trade and commerce, and joint sitting of the parliament that comes under the ordinary bill. The president can summon both the houses for the joint sitting. It is taken from the Australian Constitution. Soviet, that is Russia Constitution, fundamental duties, ideals of justice, social, economic, and political in the Constitution has been taken from the Russian Constitution. And from the Germany Constitution, emergency powers of the president relating to the suspension of the fundamental rights that has been taken from the Germany Constitution. Republican ideals, liberty, equality, fraternity in the preamble has been taken from the French Constitution. And procedure for the constitutional amendment, elections of the Rajya Sabha members, that is taken from the South African Constitution. And procedure established by law is taken from the Japanese Constitution. So there are total different 11 sources that is the part, or we can say that is the part of our constitution, and we have taken lots of things from other countries' constitution to make our constitution more strong and more adaptable to in the scenario of the Indian system.